Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. Here Mr. Shadi, today I'm going to start the Excel section of Pearson course. So basically the name of this chapter is Exp25 Excel chapter 1, hands-on exercise souvenirs. So these are the instructions. So basically in this assignment, 29 steps are given to perform this project. Let's move on to step number 1. So before starting this assignment, if you want to get 100% grade in this assignment, you must follow this video step by step and you will get 100% grade in this assignment. If you want me to do this assignment, I will do this just in 30 minutes and will give you A plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MATLAB, Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI and Outlook also, and I will help you in other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java and other courses also. Let's start step number 1. So step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name with Exp25 Excel chapter 1, hands-on exercise souvenirs. Getter has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So basically this step is related to download your answer file and instruction file from your Pearson course. So this is our instruction file, okay, and this is our answer file where we will perform all instruction steps on it. So step number 1 is done now. Step number 2. So step number 2 is you notice that the worksheet contains some spelling errors that need to be corrected. So the main point is from here we will highlight this. Use Excel to check and correct the spelling error in the worksheet. So we'll go here in answer sheet and then we will go to review tab and just click at spelling. After this, it says that do you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet? So after this we will just click at yes. So here we will just click at change all. Okay, spell check complete, you are good to go. Okay, so click OK. So step number 2 is also done. Now step number 3. Step number 3 is you want to use autofill to enter a series of code to create the product number. So the main point is from here. Enter 101 in cell B5 and use autofill to complete sequence for the range B6 up to B10 with a series. So we will copy this or we will just go here in cell B5. Okay, here is B5 and we will write here or type here 105 and press enter. Okay, sorry, 101. Okay, not 105, 101. Okay, press enter. After this and use autofill to complete the sequence for the range B6 up to B10 with the series. So we'll again insert the cell B5, okay, and we will go to home tab and just click in editing group. We will just click at fill and after this we will just click at flash fill. Okay, this range will be automatically completed now. So step number 3 is completely done. Now step number 4. Step number 4 is to motivate customers to buy more product. You want to change the 5% 0.05 off to 10% 0.10 0.10 off. So the main point is from here we will highlight this. Find all occurrence of 0.05 and replace them with 0.10. So we'll go to answer sheet, okay, and just click here in this sheet and then go to home tab. After this we will go to editing group and just click at find and select and after this we will just click at replace. So here we'll type the which one value 0.05, okay, in find of the okay find areas. So we will type as 0.05 0.05 and in replacement with 0.10. 0.10. After this, we just click on replace all. Okay, all done. We made one replacement. Okay, and close. So step number 4 is done. Now step number 5. Step number 5 is column C contain the cost of the each product and column D contain the markup rate. Using these values, you will calculate the markup amount for each product in column C. The main point is from here. We will highlight this. In cell E5, enter a formula to calculate the markup amount, which is the result of multiplying the cost by markup rate. Copy the formula to the range E6 up to E10. So basically in this step, we will enter the formula in B5 to calculate the markup amount, okay, by multiplying the cost with markup rate, okay. So we'll go to cell E5, okay, and is equal to multiply cost by markup rate. Cost multiply by markup rate, okay, and press enter. Copy the formula to the range E6 up to E10. So we'll copy this range from E6, E5 up to E10, okay. So step number 5 is done. Now step number 6. Step number 6 is, now that you have calculated the markup amount, you can calculate the retail price for each product in column C. So the main point is from here. We will highlight this. Sorry. In cell F5, enter a formula to calculate the retail price, which is the sum of the cost and the markup amount. Copy the formula to the range F6 up to F10. So basically in step number 6, we will enter the formula in cell F5 to calculate the retail price, and we will sum the cost with markup amount, okay. So insert the cell F5 and is equal to cost plus markup amount. Cost plus markup amount, okay, and press enter. After this, we will drag this up to F6 up to F10. So step number 6 is done. Now step number 7. Step number 7 is, each item is on sale this week. The sale price is X% of the retail price. You need to calculate the sale price. So the main point is from here. We will highlight this, okay. So in cell H5, calculate the sale price. Copy the formula down the range H6 up to H10. Okay. So basically in this step, we will enter the formula in H5 and we will calculate the sale price. Okay. So we will go to answer sheet and we will insert the cell H5. Okay. So we switch the cell H5 and we will insert the formula here, F6 multiply by F6 multiply by its mean retail price multiply by bracket open and then 1 minus G5. So G5 is our present value, okay, present of value. So bracket close. So it's mean that retail price multiplied by 1 minus present of value, okay. After this, we will just click here at press enter, okay, and we will drag this up to F10. So step number 7 is done. Step number 8. Step number 8 is the profit margin is the ratio of the net profit as a percentage of revenue. The formula first calculates the net profit between the sale price and the cost and divides that by the sale price. So the main point is from here. We will highlight this. In cell I5, enter a formula to calculate the profit margin. Copy the formula to the range I6 up to I10. So basically in step number 8, we will insert a formula in cell I5 to calculate the profit margin. Okay, so we'll go here in answer sheet and we will switch the cell I5 and we will enter the formula here is equal to bracket. So is equal to bracket. So sale price minus cost bracket close divided by sale price. Okay, it's mean bracket. So first we will enter the bracket and then H5 minus C5 bracket close then divided by H5. Okay, after this we'll just press enter and we will drag this up to I10. So step number 8 is done. Now step number 9. Step number 9 is you decide to add a column to display the profit. Because profit is a dollar amount, you want to keep the profit column close to another column of dollar amount. You will insert the column for the profit amount and enter the column heading. So the main point is from here we will highlight this. Insert a new column I and enter amount in cell I4. So basically step number 9, we will insert a new column I and after inserted the I column we will type profit amount in cell I4. Okay, so we'll go to answer sheet and select column I and right click and just click that I insert. After this our I column is inserted now and we'll copy this text and we'll paste this text in, or you can write or you can copy and paste this text in I4. Okay, so step number 9 is done. Now step number 10. Step number 10 is now you are ready to enter the profit amount formula. So the main point is from here. We will highlight this. In cell I5, enter a formula to calculate the profit, which is difference between the sale price and original cost. Copy the formula to the range I6 up to I10. So basically in step number 10, we will enter a formula in cell I5 to calculate the profit and we will difference between the sale price and the original cost. It's mean sale price minus original cost. Okay, go to cell I5 and is equal to a sale price minus original cost. Sale price minus original cost. So this is our original cost. After this we just click that, press enter and we will drag this up to I10. So step number 10 is done. Now step number 11. Step number 11 is you want to insert two rows for category names above their respective product. Then you want to delete the row containing the soundtrack CD. So the main point is from here. We will highlight this. Insert the new row 5 and type apparel in cell A5. Insert the new row 8 and enter Souvenirs in cell A8. Bold the word in cell A5 and A8. Delete row 11 containing the soundtrack CD. So basically step number 11, first we insert the row 5 and then we type the apparel word. Okay, and after this we will insert the row insert the new row 8 and then we will enter the word, which one word? So Souvenirs in cell A8. Okay, so after this we will bold these both words. So first we will go to answer sheet and we will insert the new row 5. Okay, select row 5, right click, and we'll just click that insert. So row 5 is inserted now, and we'll copy this text, okay, and we'll paste this text here in cell A5, control V, paste here and press enter, okay. So insert the new row 8. So we select the row 8, right click, and we'll insert the new row here. Which one? Row 8, okay. And we'll copy the text, which one? This one, and we'll paste this text here in cell A8, okay. So next, bold the word in cell A5 and A8. So we will bold these both words in cell A5, this one, bold this word, and A8 also this one, okay. So next, delete row 11 containing the soundtrack CD. So we'll delete the row 8, right, select this row and right click and just click that delete. So step number 11 is done. Now step number 12. Step number 12 is column A is too narrow for the product name. You want to increase the width. In addition, you want to increase the height for the first row. Finally, you decide to hide product code column. So the main point is from here. Increase the width of column A to 23. Change the height of the row to 30. Hide column B containing the product code. So basically step number 12, we will increase the width of the column A to 23. Okay, so first we will select the column A, right click, and we will just click that column width, and we will do this 23. After this, we just click that OK, and change the height of the row 1 to 30. So we'll select the row 1, right click, row height and 1. After this, we will click that OK. Sorry, Control Z, select the row 1, right click, row height, and we'll do this 30. After this, we just click that OK. So hide column B containing the product code. So we'll hide the column B, select the B column, right click, and we'll just click that hide. So column B is hide now. So step number 12 is completely done. Now step number 13. Step number 13 is the t-shirt product is below the Souvenirs heading. This product belong in the apparel section. You will move the t-shirt product row to be above the Souvenirs heading. So the main point is from here. We will highlight this. Select and cut the range A11 up to J11. Insert cut cell on row 8. So basically step number 13. We will select and cut the range A11 up to J11, and we will insert cut cell on row 8. So we'll copy this range, Control C, go to answer sheet and just click here in name box and Control V, paste this range here, press enter. So this range is selected now, okay, and we'll cut this range, Control X from your keyboard, okay, and then go to row 8. So select the row 8, okay, and right click and we'll just click that insert cut cells, okay. So step number 13 is done. Now step number 14. Step number 14 is the travel mug product information is missing because it is similar to the mug data. You will copy and paste the mug data and then edit it for the travel mug. Copy the range A10 up to J10 and paste it in cell A12. In cell A12, enter travel mug. In cell C12, enter 7. So the main point is this one. Copy the range A10 up to A10, J10. Copy this range. Go to answer sheet. Just click here in name box. Control V, paste this range here and press enter. So this range is selected now. So copy this range and paste this range in A12. Okay. So Control C, copy this range and we will paste this range in A12. So we will select the row 12 and Control V. Okay. Okay, sure. Leave this. So press escape from your keyboard, or you can select this and double click at format painter, okay, or double or third click, okay. 3 time click. So step number. So next is enter travel mag. Okay, in cell C12, enter 7. Okay, so we will copy this text, Control C, and we will enter this text in A12. Control V, press enter, and in cell C12, enter 7. So here is C12, this one, and press type 7 and press enter. Okay. So step number 14 is done. Now I have done 50% of this assignment because total points are 28. So I have done 14 step. It's mean I have done 50% of this assignment. So if you want to get complete assignment, I will do this just in 30 minutes and will give you A plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MATLAB Excel Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI and Outlook also, and I will help you in other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java, and other courses also. We are a complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses, and we have guaranteed that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. Thank you for watching this complete video. Please subscribe this channel for upcoming assignments. Once again, thank you.